So today we're making one of my favorite orthodontic friendly recipes, pumpkin pancakes. So what we're gonna start with today is the wet ingredients, which we have here, 2 eggs. Zoe, you can add that for me. Perfect, get it all in there. Then we're gonna add 1.5 cups of milk. Since it's Zoe's side, I'm gonna have her add that. Perfect. Benny, you can add that 1/2 cup. Hold it steady, steady, steady. Perfect. And then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. Let's see. We'll scoop this in like this. Pumpkin is very healthy and tasty. And we're gonna add, Ben, can you add the butter for me? That is 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Awesome, add it all in there. That makes it yummy and good. Extra good. Okay, and now we're gonna whisk this all together. Zoe, start whisking for me. Our favorite part, whisking. This recipe is actually gluten-free. I'm using a gluten-free, it's actually gluten-free pancake mix, but you could probably just use regular flour if you don't want to make it gluten-free. So we're gonna pour this in here. This is 1.5 cups of the gluten-free mix. Let's get that in. Okay, Ben's stirring. Great, and I have my griddle heating up back here, ready to go. Good, Zoe's helping. Okay, no fighting. No fighting policy in the kitchen. Ben, can you add the spices? So we have some spices, that's cinnamon and nutmeg. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Great. Let's get all that in there. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's the final ingredient here. Super. Benny, you wanna pour that in for me? Whoops, okay. And only a little bit of milk got on the counter. Perfect. Now, sometimes you have to adjust the amount of liquid. I find this to be a little bit thick for my personal taste, so I'm gonna add a drop more milk, and then we're gonna get this on the griddle. Oh, well, we always wanna taste our recipes too. Okay, stir that up. Great.
Now can I taste
Look how delicious that looks, huh?
Can I taste it now?
Perfect fall recipe and orthodontic friendly, not gonna break anybody's braces. What do you think?
Good.
Pretty good. Pretty tasty. Okay, let's get this cooking. So now we're pouring this on the griddle. I pre-oiled it with some butter. Tasty, right?
Yes. Yep.
Mouth is watering already. Now we're taking the pancakes off the griddle. Look how delicious these look.
Happy pancake season.
And now we're ready to eat.